what you doing? Playing a game. Animal Crossing. What are you doing? Reading a book. Only one thing. I'm kind of hungry. Me too. But what do you fancy eating? How about pizza? I don't really fancy pizza. How about noodles? I don't really want noodles. How about hamburger? I don't really want a hamburger. I have an idea. Me too. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Yeah. Let's make pancakes. Welcome back to my kitchen. So the ingredients for making pancakes are quite simple. Firstly, you need 1 cup of plain flour. You need half a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, more than 1 cup of milk, 1.2 cups. I filled it to the top. A lemon, some butter, and some sugar. These are for serving. And some equipment here. I've got a frying pan, a big bowl, a sieve, a ladle, and very important, a whisk. Whisk, 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 to whisk all the ingredients up in this bowl. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Right, these are English style pancakes. They're different from American style pancakes. American style pancakes are very small and thick, but English style pancakes are bigger but thinner. And they're much tastier in my opinion, because I'm also English. So what we need to do is put all the ingredients in a bowl and whisk them together. So let's start. Let's go. It's very small. Then we're gonna whisk it. Then, once it's reached this kind of consistency, add the rest of the milk. And whisk it some more. So it's good. We're just going to leave it now for half an hour to relax. And then we'll come back and start to cook the pancakes. So after half an hour, the batter is rested and it's ready to go. So here we've got the frying pan. I'm going to get some butter. Just a little bit of butter. Pop it in the frying pan. Alright, you can see the frying pan is very, very hot. So now comes the fun part. Once the pancake is cooked on one side, you need to flip the pancake. There you go, you can see it's very nicely cooked. It's brown on one side. And we just need to wait for it to cook on the other side and then cook some more pancake. Ta-da! My pancakes are ready. So I've made 9 pancakes. So to serve pancakes is quite easy. You just take a pancake, put it on a plate, cut a lemon, here they are.
nicely rolled up pancakes.
Looking so yummy. I want to eat them. So, are you ready? Steady. Let's eat. So good.